Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama sallaita ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Allahumma barik ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama barakta ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today we will study suad and its all shapes in Diwani Arabic calligraphy. So let's start from its individual shape. So first of all, for writing its individual shape, here I want to tell you something, that if you remember that we have make 1 2 3 measuring dots here and 1 2 3 measuring dots here for writing the lower portion of our alif. Similarly, for writing the lower portion of suad, we will also do same thing, and here I want to tell you this thing by drawing, just like I'm drawing here, just like this. So for here, so now we will start to study the starting portion of suad. It's the ending portion of suad. Now we are studying the starting portion of suad. For writing suad, first of all we will draw 2 measuring dots here. After that we will draw half measuring dot here in this way, okay, and similarly we will draw half measuring dot here and 2 measuring dots here in this way, okay. Now here if we will draw line, so now it's turn to write the shape of suad. First of all we will take our qalam at 90-degree angle, take it up in this way, then again back, and this is the starting shape of suad. Now if we join these two things to write the suad, we will draw all these type of measuring dots and draw the suad. So first of all I'll draw these two measuring dots, 1 2, okay. Now I will draw half dot here in this way and draw a line here in this way. Similarly I will make 2 dots here, one half measuring dot here and 2 dots in this way, 1 2. Now after that we will draw 3 measuring dots here, 1 2 and 3, and similarly we will draw 3 measuring dots here, 1 2 and the last one is 3. Now it's time to write the suad. So hold your qalam at 90-degree angle, start from this portion, take it up, then again back here in this way, then in this way, and after that make it in this way. Here is the individual shape of our suad. Similarly, we have variation in this suad. That is, for writing variated suad, we will draw same type of dots, but we will make here little thing in this way. In this way. Now here is our variated suad. Other than that, here is another variation in this portion of suad, and that is, first of all we will make 2 measuring dots in this way, 1 2. Similarly draw half measuring dot here. Similarly we will draw half measuring dot here, 2 measuring dot here. But the variation is that you can see here I am drawing a line here and draw a little circle here. So now it's time to write the half shape of suad. So for writing the half shape of suad, okay, I will take my qalam at 90-degree angle, take it up and then again back in this way. Here is the another half shape of suad. You can see here it's this peak is more than this peak. Now here is the first shape, is the second, and the last one is third. Now we are moving towards its moves. So it's the first move, it's the first move, it's the second, third move, and the last one is fourth move. First, second, third and fourth. Now similarly we will make the moves of this one. So here is our first move, the second one, the third one, fourth one, and the last fifth one. Here are the 5 moves in this suad. Now here our individual shape of suad is completed. After that we will move ahead towards the starting shape of suad. Starting shapes of suad. So for writing starting shape of suad, we have 2 to 3 types. For example, if we are writing suad with alif, so we can write it in this way. Here we have written it as a starting shape of suad with alif. So there is another variation here. Now here we have another variation in suad, that is in this way and in this way. We can write suad with alif by these variated things. Okay. Now other than that, here is a shape of suad with ba or any other thing like sin, etc. That is, we will take it in this way, just like this and this. Okay. Here is the suad shape with other things. Similarly, we have another shape for suad with suad. So for writing the suad with suad, we will write in this way. First of all, we will make the peak in this way, in this way. Okay. Similarly, now we will draw the second suad here like this. Okay. Here is the suad with suad. Similarly, we have it should have the little peak here from here. Okay. Similarly, we have another shape for suad with suad, that is in this way, in this way, and this way, just like I'm doing here, and this, and this. So here is the another shape of suad with suad. Now here our starting shapes of suad are completed. If we will discuss its move, then it's the first move of suad, second one, third one, and the last is fourth one. Similarly, in this one we have moves. Similarly, we have moves in this one, first one, second, and the last is third one. Similarly, first one, second one, third one, fourth one. Similar moves are present in this one, suad. Now it's time to move ahead, and now we are discussing the mid shape of suad or middle shape of suad. So here we have the mid shape of suad. It's totally like this or this, but here I will draw it with any word. So first of all, take it in this way and then this. It's the starting, any starting word, and now we are drawing or making the suad in center. So for making it in center, we will do this thing. Okay, this is the center or mid shape of suad, mid shape of suad. Other than that, we have another mid shape of suad, that is, we will take it in this way, in this way. We should have to take it little up from the lower portion, just like I'm doing here. Okay, so here is the another half shape of our suad, sorry, mid shape of our suad. Similarly, we are moving to ahead the last portion of our this lecture and towards the ending shape of our suad. Now we will study ending shapes. So here we have ending shape in this way. For example, here is any starting shape. Okay, we will take it up to write the suad and then do this thing, and we'll make the ending shape of suad in this way. Here is the first ending shape of suad. Similarly, here is the second ending shape of suad. To make it here is the second ending shape. Similarly, now we are moving towards the another shape of suad in end, that is in this way. We will do just like this and then do here in this way and write suad. You can see here from this and this portion it's little up, and in both of these there is a little variation that it's finish here but it's move ahead. Similarly, here this portion of the suad is nearly attached to the first one or second one or any other starting word, and here other all things are same. Similarly, when we write the variation in this one suad, we will make it just like here I'm doing in this way. So in this swad we have made almost 4 shapes. So we have studied almost 4 shape of swad in ending. Now if we want to discuss the moves in this one, so here is the first move, the second one, the third one, first, second. Similarly all the moves are in this first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, etc. Now here our lecture is completed. Thanks for watching video. Allah Hafiz.